The half double crochet stitch is the halfway point between a single crochet and double crochet stitch. Compared to a single stitch, it requires a yarn over before you insert the hook into a stitch, and requires you to pull the final yarn over through all 3 loops on the hook. First step, yarn over. Insert the hook under top loops of the next stitch. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the stitches to draw up a loop. There should be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. There should be 1 loop left on the hook. 1 half double stitch made.